Hi there and welcome to Story Time with Uncle Bill. And this poor little guy has met his demise. Looks like a mud turtle if I had to guess, with but that box turtle edge. But I've always been under the impression that these yellow jackets right here, I'm guessing it's a yellow jacket. I'm gonna try to get close. There was a couple of them on here before, but as I got closer to film, it decided to leave. But I'm thinking it's over there eating some flesh. And I always thought these dudes were pollinators. You know, they go on leaves, flowers and stuff. Um, did they morph to meat eaters and stuff? This dude, let me see if there we go. Oh no. But I know ants eat, and you can see them. And actually, oh, look at the meat on there. It's been hot. Man, this dude's crispy, huh? Okay. But anybody know about that? Have they learned to eat other things other than pollen? Here comes one. We can actually see it eating. Yep. He's going to town. He's in that red meat too. Look at that. That's awesome. I think it's a yellow jacket. If it's not, and you do know it's some kind of wasp, it's a bee for sure. Check him out. Hope everybody's having a good day and staying safe. If you can, hit that like button, share the video, subscribe if you haven't. Peace. Hey, hold on, let me try to go around. Oh, I got a second. Did he fly? Yeah. Come on, man. I went around here. There we go. So I can see you eating. All right, guys.